All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today let's take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, first off, I don't have a Patreon. I don't ask you guys for money. I don't have a PayPal, but I do have merch. So buy some merch. It helps the channel, allows me to buy tools, better equipment to make YouTube. So if you want something tangible from me, buy my merch. Seriously, buy merch. So let's take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, Bam Bam has this Jeep Grand Cherokee four-wheel drive. Needed a starter, a battery cable, and unfortunately also a battery. The battery was a Napa. It was relatively new, but it had failed. We tried to charge it and bring it back to life, so we're getting it warranted through our local Napa. Bam Bam also has a BMW doing valve cover, oil pan, and rear air shocks because it's sitting low in the rear end. All right, I've got this Tahoe that needs a water pump. I know, big surprise. I also have a Nissan Sentra outside that is getting new struts for a popping noise. I've got a Jeep Liberty coming in tomorrow for a leak on the transmission pan, putting a new pan on it. Already resealed once and somebody else was in there, so it's getting a new pan. This Jeep Grand Cherokee right here wound up getting a door lock actuator on the driver's side, and it's getting an oil change. The door latch is already done, but unfortunately we didn't have enough door retainers because they were almost all broke. So waiting for a few more to come in the morning, get this one knocked out. Zach's got a battery on the Sonata. Nothing real major. This BMW has been kicking Zach's butt. He did a valve cover on it and both front CV axles, and now we've got boost codes, so got to mess with that in the morning. That's for tomorrow. Josh, this Audi's his. He did a vacuum pump on it and control arms. Customer just hasn't picked it up yet. He also did a Honda Tommy belt today. So, all right, this one actually is mine as well. Unfortunately, my guys today were all tied up, so I had to spend a lot of time checking out cars. And so, well, I've got plenty of work. That little guy right there has failed. I got to put a new one in the morning. Jesse knocked out some work today, but unfortunately he didn't get this one done. Axle shaft seals, axles. He did some engine mounts on it, oil change, filters, both CV axles, and put CV axle seals in. So he'll get this one finished up in the morning. Everybody's having a good week except, Zach's getting his butt kicked on that BMW, but overall, everybody's having a really good week. In fact, for Friday, I filmed these on Thursdays, we had to cut our appointments down. We had to reschedule a bunch of stuff because we just don't have enough time to get everything done. So, hope you like this video. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.